Hello everyone. Today's my topic is Labrador dog. The Labrador Retriever or simple Labrador is a British breed for retrieving gun dog. It was developed in the United Kingdom for finishing dogs imported from the colony and the Newfoundland province of Canada, and was named after Labrador region of the colony. It is among the most commonly kept dogs in several countries, particularly in the European world. The Labrador is friendly and energetic and playful. It was bred as a sporting and hunting dog, but is widely kept as a companion dog. It may also be turned as a guide and assistance dog or for recovery or therapeutic work. In the 832nd, the 10th Earl of Home and his new nephew, the 5th Duchy of Bachelins, and Lord John Scott important pregnancy of the breed for Newfoundland. Thank you.